What up? Sorry. I do not like this image right now. It's not realistic. It's not like, it's just weird image on the live stream, guys. I need to log off and log back in. You guys see the difference? I do not like the video that I'm looking at right now. What are you looking at? The promoter trying to give her a flyer.
Shake that ass like the twerk team. Like the twerk team.
What? Go que quiera. Ga. Soldier boy, tell him. Superman. What up, everybody? Sorry. Me outside. Thank you. They like me. They love BLD. What's up? Hey, yo. Las Vegas, USA. We are live from Las Vegas, USA. Yeah, have you made it to this part though? On this side. Easy place though. Today I read a news from Baltimore. A crazy news from Baltimore. Lizzie chased him and she said, wait, what is the deal? What is the deal with this dude, you are not gonna like this weather. Being from UK, what the fuck? Hey yo, she literally chased this guy down from the street and now she's making, whoa! Hey yo, that's crazy. I need to talk to this guy. Like I'm his huge fan, bro. She really chased him down, grabbed him, got his number, making out with him, and all. He must be like a musician or an athlete or Marcus. Oh my God. She literally chased this guy down on the street. What is happening? I need to talk to him, bro. What? Oh, okay, I need to ask him. Who is this guy? Oh shit, don't run now. Come on, do the interview, bro. Oh shit, somebody's getting it. What the hell is happening here? Are they fighting? She is fighting. God damn. What the? Too much going on right now. Guys, calm it down. No, we need to make out. We need to make, no. The Sin City, but also like the city of some of the most beautiful girls on the planet Earth. That's Offset right now. Hey, Offset. Situation, closely monitoring situation here. Yeah, see, hit the follow button, guys. If you follow me, this girl will come to you. I'm trying to understand what is going on here. I'm trying. Amor, mi amor. يتسبب. What the fuck?
Period. Are you gonna talk shit?
It looks like I end up just waking up in heaven. Are you guys sure this is not heaven, bro? I think this is heaven, bro. I think we are in heaven, guys. Oh, we might be in hell. This is hell. Oh, Lord. What have I done? God damn. Oh my God, don't do that. That's not good. 2, 3, 4. You gotta get to 7, okay? 5, 6. One more. Yes. She keeps going. Oh, she's not gonna stop, bro. She's too strong. She's too strong like that. That's easy for him. That's easy. Too easy.
Vamos a hacer las canciones por acá para todos ustedes. Creo que se las saben.
looking. Gonna do the night. La 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 la. That means you haven't followed us yet. Hit the follow, guys. Hit the follow button. Hit the follow button, everybody. Hit the follow. Hit the follow. Press the follow button. To-do list. I do not care. I do not care if Lionel Messi babysat Lamine Ma. Did you guys see that picture of Lionel Messi giving a bath to Lamine Ma? I swear to God, I was like, there is no way this picture is real. Apparently at the UNICEF, there was like a charity event that Lionel Messi attended. Damn, bro. Bro, this lady's drunk. And I don't think she knows those people that she is with.
Hourly, I got your slices hourly.
Gonna get through the night. Hit the follow button, guys. Everybody follow. Hit the follow. Everybody hit the follow button. Hit the follow button. We live from Vegas, baby.